Hi guys, I'm KK.
And I'm Armin.
Welcome to our channel. Today we'll be building this hanging planter. Not only is it very cute, but it's also very functional, especially if you're in an apartment.
We'll be making the hanging planter with simple hand tools, so you definitely don't need a shop full of woodworking tools.
All the supplies you need can be found at your local big box stores.
Here are the materials and tools you need. Let's get started. 5 3-foot by 1/2 inch dowels.
A small hacksaw or handsaw. A plant bracket.
Super glue or wood glue if it's a bigger project.
Small or medium pot, depending on your plant size.
Hemp twine.
2 small clamps.
A plant of your choice.
And some extra soil. So we got a 6-inch clay pot from Home Depot. Our choice of plant was a succulent. We love succulents. They're also very hard to kill. For the square dowels, we're gonna cut them into 6.5-inch pieces. So what I'm doing right now is I'm going to put them together evenly and I'll tape them down. That way when I measure them, they're all even. And I'm drawing the lines on a few of the pieces to make sure I get a straight line. So now I'm going to put the tape down in the middle of the line so it'll be covering it. That way it's keeping all the sticks together for when we cut them. We're gonna keep doing that for all the lines where we're cutting. Yeah. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna clamp down the sticks to the counter. And really you can do this anywhere in the house. As long as you have some sort of a lip, you can very easily clamp them down. The reason we're doing 2 is that way it prevents the sticks from moving. And we're gonna take this little handsaw. We're just gonna saw it straight on the line and you could see it through the tape. So we have our pieces cut up now. We're going to take off the tape and we're going to keep these ones, the scraps, as spacer.
We used super glue instead of wood glue because our dowel pieces were pretty small. They were about 1/2 inch. But if you decide to go with larger dowels, I would definitely recommend using wood glue for that added support. Make sure you're generous when you apply the glue to end grain, which is that right there, since end grain loves to absorb a ton of the glue.
Yeah.
So now we're going to take the hemp that we have, loop it through the top piece on each side. So it'll feed through and it'll hang on the hook that we're going to have. And then bring it up over the top like this. That's where it would hook. Comes back down here. And then just like the other side, feeds through this side. Just feed a bunch more out again. And what you would do from here is take, this would be the hanging piece. You would tie off this piece to here, you rotate it to come to the top, and I'll show you in just a minute.
Yeah.
So much for watching our video. We hope you found this video useful.
So if you guys have any other ideas as far as shortcuts or better ways we can do this in the future, please feel free to leave them in the comments below. Like and share it with friends and family if you think they can use something like this.
And also, if you do end up making one yourself, definitely share your creations with us. You can find us on any social medias at Armin and KK. And of course, the links will be down in the description.
Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.